So do you think Shillong is it's too polluted?
Not that polluted, but it is polluted.
When we say our CM, what are your thoughts about it?
Actually, I think he's a let's say he's a good person.
Find ways to find out who's being corrupt and
Okay.
who's not doing their jobs, like all these MLAs and MDCs, right?
We say our CM, what are your thoughts about it?
Actually, I think he's a let's say he's a good person. Like he does everything for our state, and so far we've seen so much improvement in our state.
Okay.
And even as if we include like the roads and railway construction, they also have improved in some areas.
Okay.
That is,
What about the CM trong stage ngi?
Kontrak sama.
Gonasma, what are your thoughts about him? KP.
As a leader ta biang ye,
Uh-huh.
nom ta dan ka education ka tama hojing start itu dan
Mm-hmm.
tama tidak ni weak points ma dari no bro
Alright.
kata ta. Tama kumhanga ta biang ye.
Biang.
Ah.
If you are the CM of the state, what would you improve in the state?
First of all, I think so we have to improve. First of all, we have to improve the state of the road,
Okay.
because as you can see, the roads are very bad here in Shillong.
Okay.
And then after that,
Mostly in
Yeah, mostly.
villages.
Villages.
especially
Okay.
in the villages.
Construct more
side.
like highways so that
Mud kisrok ini ban bah
Oh,
apa?
ambas.
Siyang kenal.
mostly and
Mostly.
also water
Water.
Yeah,
Water supply.
supply.
Okay. If I am a CM of the state, Chief Minister of the state, what would you tell me to improve in the state? What are the 3 things you would tell me to improve in the state?
traffic,
Mm-hmm.
traffic,
Traffic, and then employment. Okay.
no corruption.
No corruption. So if I would be the Chief Minister of the state, what would you tell me to improve in the state?
I think there should be less corruption, and there is so much impartiality.
Impartiality.
Ha.
Okay. So when you
And-
say impartiality, what is that all about?
Like every time we see that, whenever not youngsters, but then people who are in search of jobs, and we can even see that from students that are writing for a NEET exam. There are some people that they score higher marks, but then
Okay.
some other got it instead of their place.
Yes,
So-
that's impartiality.
Yeah,
Yes, that's
impartiality.
right. So if I would be the CM of the state, what would you tell me to improve in the state? Keep in mind.
The traffics of Shillong states and all, and a little bit changes of Shillong, like development, a bit.
Development.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
And the traffics.
Traffic.
Traffics, yeah.
Okay.
And I see the roads are getting like
Smaller.
smaller, so they should fix it, make it bigger. And some
So-
of the roads in Shillong are still like undeveloped.
Undeveloped. Okay. If I would be the CM of the state, what would you want me to improve in the state? Yeah.
Roads.
Roads.
Yeah. Shillong roads are too small, and for us as student, like we need to come to school early, reach
Uh-huh.
on time. So it's not possible to reach in time. We need to walk from halfway. So we want the car to reach till halfway.
Okay.
So the road need to be a little bit bigger.
Bigger.
Find ways to find out who's being corrupt and
Okay.
who's not doing their jobs, like all these MLAs and MDCs, right? They used to
people
promise
something
people, and they used to
that they
say
will
that
give.
they'll,
Yeah.
like, let's just say that they'll fix this road. Okay.
Okay.
Like where I stay in Madan Aban, okay, they took like 3 months to fix like just a small hole in the middle of the road,
Okay.
and that same that same spot now that was fixed after like 1 month, I think so. Again, that hole came back. So like if they do that, that's just corruption, right?
Exactly.
fixing that?
So, ladang ang di CM sa state, pinong ke-able improve up state yung.
Mainly kada ka traffic,
Aha.
ano po Shillong traffic,
Mhm.
traffic number 1. Kung segi rural areas ta kaum electricity
okay.
satu ka dan kampa kamar kumsti sa jongili ka electricity mah
Hai.
produk pa kita hi
Hmm.
ding compare ba ka Govt dai
Hai.
biang dot
Hai.
mall ka kaladon ka biang
Ah,
ang facilities kidan
Kibiang.
ka
Hai.
biang kumangi Shillong pa karang sim jenja namar dang dadon kami haplet di kum sa Govt
ah,
kung hospital su kumapulo erung haplet sa Govt yang
okay.
kada kita hi basic ta di balak ban you improve neta
Improvement on health facilities.
health facilities.
Uh-huh. one opportunity you have to say to a CM, what would you say?
I could say bring esports to Meghalaya, man.
Bring what?
Bring esports to Meghalaya.
Esports. Okay.
Esports, right? Like
Okay.
we play games and stuff. But like we're not getting proper
Platforms.
financial aid, right?
Okay.
If we play tournaments also, like the prize money is very low. So
Okay.
maybe if they
Yes,
they
like-
promote esports, then maybe like some people can flourish also, right?
That's
From
right.
That particular aspect.
Aspect of games. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, I'm saying it from my own perspective because
Okay.
I'm a skater.
Uh-huh.
Like there's like good skaters in our state that's not getting enough support.
Means like no platforms.
Yeah, no
Okay.
platforms.
Okay. What about you?
I'll develop the roads, the traffics and all, and the polluted areas and all. I'll
Okay.
fix that.
So do you think Shillong is too polluted?
Not that polluted, but it is polluted.
It is
Yeah.
polluted. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Gaming should be also a good sport.
Yeah, gaming should be
Yeah. Yeah, like
gaming should
Korea.
gaming should be one of the.
Yeah.
They should have a particular
Tournament,
event in states, right?
Most of the athletes know they're facing like problems like when they are like in basketball they are so talented, but like he said, financial there's gonna be some financial problem. Like the play they get or they give is not equal to the pay they get.
Okay.
So also cricket, no, and I won't say it's a bad sport, but it's like too much like it's like this is
Yeah,
cricket,
there's a
and
lot
then
of
these are the
corruption.
other sports.
Okay. So-
I would like to say that cricket, no, it should be here, but also the other sports, no, should be treated like
Equally.
almost equally.
Okay, equally. If I was the chief minister of the state,
Yeah.
what would you tell me to improve in the state?
First off, bro, like improve in hip hop shit. No, you know,
Alright.
like जब like मतलब कि लाने से like कुछ करना है ना, पहले like कि इधर में हो क्या रहा है like भेदभाव, like
हाँ।
girls and boys,
हाँ।
कुछ वो सब ने सबको like full independent आजादी, क्या करने में
इंडिपेंडेंट आजादी का मतलब
independent like straight up bro, मतलब कि जिसको क्या करना है वो मतलब कि
मीन्स लाइक
मतलब कि
Pro
कुछ
choice.
छूट- हाँ मतलब
अपना choice, अपना choice के लिए।
अपना choice के लिए
Okay.
कुछ कर सके तो
हाँ, हाँ।
उन लोगों का कुछ रोक टोक नहीं कि इधर में वो नहीं, इधर में लाइक समझ रहा है ना, कुछ रोक टोक नहीं कि स्ट्रीट्स में मतलब कि अभी हम लोग को वो सब चल रहा है गिग्स में गला जो
हाँ।
किया ऑर्गेनाइज लाइक उसके लिए चार्टर वो सब चीज चल रहा है लाइक और भी मतलब कि सपोर्ट कुछ करने का लिए ना कि
हाँ,
यूथ को लाइक और भी थोड़ा कुछ करे।